Os ni'n sgirio ffensro, mae angen ymatebion gyflym iawn. Mae'n chwyslyd iawn. Mae angen stamina dda.
People really do love the sport. It's one of those things that you're not lukewarm about. You either love it or it's not for you.
Credu yr apel yw bod yn un o'r chwaraeon sydd dal gyda fath o stel iddo fo. A mae'n rhaid i chi bod yn eitha bonheddig i'ch cystadleuwyr. Ond mae yna dal fath o yr aggression yna.
The mental games you play, the sort of interaction you have tactically with your opponent it equates to a game of chess. It's really, really high-level sort of bluffs and double bluffs and things like this.
Mae'r clwb yn dda hyd mae'n croesawu pawb. Mae yna llawer o pobl o oedran i cymysg. Does dim os oes gen merch neu bachgen.
Raj, would you like to fight Oliver? He'll give you a good run for your money, don't worry. On guard.
When a good pirate movie or something comes out, we get loads of kids joining up and wanting to sword fight, which is really fantastic.
Pethau fel Three Musketeers, Pirates of the Caribbean.
We do lose some, don't we?
Some, yeah.
They want to swing from chandeliers.
Unfortunately, the best way to fence is to do things as small as possible, which obviously isn't as grand as you see in the movies, but they enjoy it all the same, and they still feel like a pirate, really.